Today will be fun. Come on, everyone. We are getting late. Let's have a great day.
Wow! Family Costume Day!
That sounds amazing.
I want to be a space hero.
It is tomorrow. Tomorrow? That is so soon. We need a costume fast. Oh, no. This costume is too small now. What will I wear tomorrow?
Ryan, what is wrong?
My space costume does not fit.
Do not worry. We can help.
We can make a new one.
Really?
Yes. We will make it together.
Ryan needs a costume for tomorrow.
Tomorrow? That is quick.
Can we make one tonight?
Yes, we will do it together.
Okay, team. Let's make a plan.
We need a costume and a prop.
I want to look brave and shiny. Blue suit, silver stars, big boots. And a cape. Yes, a hero cape. He needs moon power. Ah, that looks cool. Good idea, Lily.
Supply delivery is here!
Wow, Dad. Now it feels real.
Stand tall, Ryan.
Like a real captain?
Exactly like a real captain.
Cut here.
Fold this side.
I will paint the stars. I will help too.
This will be your space armor.
It looks strong.
And very light.
Oops. The glue likes you.
That is okay. We can fix it.
1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars. You are a great artist. I know. A hero needs a cape. It feels so soft. Soon it will fly behind you. I cannot see. Captain Ryan is lost.
Okay, we need Plan B.
I cannot see. Captain Ryan is lost.
Okay, we need Plan B.
No problem. We try again.
Smaller helmet, better straps.
I still want to look amazing.
Now the costume looks complete. I feel like a real explorer. You look super cool. I want a costume too. You do? Yes, I will be the moon helper. You can be the moon. A shining moon. Perfect. We are a team.
Every moon helper needs a star wand.
This is my favorite part. Mine is still the cape.
I think they're ready.
They look like real superheroes. Let's go save the day. The school changed the stage plan.
They need a small prop too.
A prop? For tomorrow?
Maybe it is too much. Maybe I cannot do it.
Do not give up, Ryan. We are not stopping. We will make the prop tonight.
Really?
Really?
Hold the wing!
I am putting on stars.
This rocket is awesome!
Keep going, team. Good morning, sunshine. We did it.
Now let's go to school.
Time for school.
Remember your mission.
Let's go. We're ready.
People are looking at us.
That is okay.
Today is your big day.
So many costumes. Yours is special. Handmade means love. There are so many people. Do not be scared. My tummy feels funny.
Ryan, your costume is beautiful.
It is handmade.
That makes it even more special.
Yeah, it is.
Deep breath, team.
Just smile and enjoy it. We are with you.
Okay, I am ready.
Next is Ryan and his family space show. Here we go. Look, it's the rocket. Hello, everyone. I am Captain Ryan. Today, I will travel to the moon. Welcome Welcome, Captain Ryan. I am the Moon Helper. Can you guide my rocket?
Steady, Mark. I've got it.
The stars are shining tonight.
Oh. Ryan.
Stay calm.
Oops. Space weather is rough today. The rocket needs moon magic. Moon magic, help us now.
Engine fixed.
We can fly again.
This award is for the most creative family costume. We won
Yes, you did.
because we worked together.
Today was the best day. Our costume was handmade with love. Teamwork made it special.
And that is the real prize.